Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to preview profile in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that you can do this using the Badoo mobile application as well. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now here's a profile that I want to view. It's of a stranger. Simply scroll down and you can see the profile, like info, other photos and everything. In context that you want to see your own profile, let's go to this profile tab right here, simply click on it. Then this will open up. There are two ways to see your profile. Method 1 is to simply click your profile picture. Now this is my profile, simply scroll down and these are my info and other photos. Another method to look at my profile is simply go to my edit profile section. The button's right here at the top right, simply click on it. Then once you're in the edit profile section page, at the top right you'll see a preview button. Click on it. Then the same interface will pop up and this is your profile. Do note that you can add much more information in your profile to make sure that more people are matched with you. Well guys, that's it. That's how you preview profile in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.